welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for enchanting garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are diving into 20 beautiful DIY rustic woodland garden edging ideas, specifically tailored for small and compact front yard landscapes. These charming designs will easily transform your limited outdoor space into a cozy, nature-inspired sanctuary. Make sure to like this video, share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts, leave a comment with your favorite idea, and subscribe to our channel for more creative projects. Woven willow hurdles offer a classic, English countryside aesthetic that fits perfectly into any rustic woodland theme. You can easily craft these low-profile borders by intertwining flexible willow twigs around sturdy wooden stakes driven into the soil. This organic barrier beautifully defines small garden beds while keeping soil and mulch perfectly contained. The intricate texture provides an instant handmade charm that complements delicate front yard flowers. Embracing natural decay with moss-covered logs creates an authentic, forest floor ambiance right in your compact front yard. Simply arrange weathered logs of varying lengths along the perimeter of your flower beds for an instant rustic boundary. Over time, moisture-loving mosses and lichens will naturally spread across the wood to enhance the woodland aesthetic. This budget-friendly option blends seamlessly with ferns and shaded perennials. Flat slate stones can be stacked horizontally to build a low, sturdy, and texturally rich garden border. The earthy gray and charcoal tones of the stone contrast beautifully against green foliage and dark soil layers. Because the pieces stack naturally without mortar, you can easily adjust the height to accommodate minor slope variations. This timeless look introduces a refined structural element to wild woodland-style plantings. Smooth river rocks of assorted sizes bring the soothing, organic feel of a mountain stream directly to your landscape. Arrange the stones in a gentle, curving wave to visually expand the boundaries of a small front yard. They serve as an excellent heavy barrier that prevents soil erosion during heavy seasonal rainstorms. The rounded shapes provide a soft, tactile transition between your cultivated garden beds and the grass lawn. A vertical log palisade utilizes short tree branch segments driven into the ground at alternating heights for a playful, dynamic boundary. You can source these logs from local tree trimmings, making this an incredibly cost-effective and sustainable DIY project. The varying heights create a whimsical rhythm that echoes the natural irregularities of a deep forest. This sturdy structure is particularly useful for creating raised tiers in compact or sloped front yards. Do not throw away broken clay pots, as they can be upcycled into a unique, overlapping terracotta tile edge. Tuck the curved shards into the soil at an angle to form a continuous, scalloped border with historic appeal. The warm, earthy orange hue of the clay brings a vibrant pop of color into shaded woodland corners. This creative method effectively repurposes garden waste into an artistic, functional landscape feature. Reclaimed barnwood planks introduce an aged, rustic architectural element that defines garden borders with clean lines. The silvery gray patina of weathered timber pairs wonderfully with deep green hostas and native woodland ferns. Simply secure the straight planks with hidden wooden stakes to maintain a neat, tidy boundary for small lawns. This edging option provides a wonderful rustic farmhouse vibe that instantly boosts your home's curb appeal. A shallow dug trench packed tightly with large pine cones offers an incredibly soft, organic transition zone for your yard. This clever solution acts as a natural visual boundary while allowing rainwater to easily filter down into the earth. The rich brown tones and geometric shapes of the pine cones add a lovely, subtle layer of texture. It is a perfect, zero-cost choice for properties blessed with mature, cone-bearing evergreen trees. Striking white birch logs provide a dramatic, bright contrast against dark organic mulch and vibrant green foliage. Lay these distinctive logs end to end to trace the clean borders of your compact woodland garden beds. The unique peeling texture and stark coloration catch the eye, making your front yard look artfully designed. This approach brings a touch of northern forest elegance directly to your home's entry path. Collecting and burying inverted green and amber wine bottles creates a colorful, vintage-inspired garden perimeter. Sink the bottles neck first into the soil, leaving the rounded bottoms exposed to form a uniform, smooth barrier. When sunlight filters through the trees, the glass catches the light and casts beautiful, glowing reflections onto your plants. This whimsical upcycling project adds a distinctive touch of folk art to a cozy woodland landscape. Setting irregular flagstones vertically into a narrow trench creates a slim, durable, and highly defined garden border. This technique uses minimal horizontal space, making it exceptionally well-suited for very tight front yard designs. The natural jagged tops of the stones mimic miniature mountain ridges, enhancing the rustic woodland atmosphere. It provides a permanent, low-maintenance barrier that effectively keeps invasive lawn grass out of flower beds. A living edge composed of low-growing native wildflowers and clover creates a soft, blurred boundary brimming with life. This eco-friendly border attracts beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies directly to your front windows. As the seasons shift, the blooming colors constantly evolve to offer a dynamic, ever-changing landscape experience. It requires minimal trimming and embraces the beautiful, untamed spirit of a natural forest clearing. Incorporating weathered driftwood pieces brings gnarled sculptural artistry to the edge of your compact garden. Secure these sun-bleached, unique wood sections with hidden stakes to outline your favorite shade-loving plant varieties. The organic, twisting shapes of driftwood mimic the look of ancient fallen trees found along wild forest rivers. This method creates an instantly mature, weathered look that feels deeply grounded in nature. Utilizing exposed, gnarled tree roots as garden edging turns discarded organic material into a dramatic design statement. Position these heavy, twisted root sections along your paths to anchor the soil and frame low plantings. The dramatic, rustic silhouettes add incredible visual weight and ancient character to a compact yard. This choice works exceptionally well when paired with delicate woodland flora like wild violets and mosses. clustering medium-sized rugged boulders with delicate native ferns creates a naturalistic, pocket-sized woodland ecosystem. Place the boulders at irregular intervals along the border, then tuck soft fronds into the gaps between them. This combination beautifully contrasts the hard, permanent stone surfaces with soft, airy, moving foliage. It effectively mimics a wild rocky outcrop, bringing authentic wilderness charm directly to your home facade. Thick jute or hemp rope looped through short, rough-hewn wooden posts creates a relaxed maritime woodland perimeter. Space the heavy timber posts evenly along your front walkway and thread the rope loosely between them. This design establishes a clear, visible boundary without visually blocking or crowding your small yard space. It offers a wonderfully tactile, nostalgic aesthetic that enhances casual cottage or cabin-style homes. Setting old, weathered red bricks into the soil at an angle creates a classic, jagged zigzag border pattern. The distressed faces of reclaimed bricks contribute a wonderful sense of history and timeless rustic appeal. This arrangement effectively retains garden soil while providing a stable, clean edge for lawn mowing. It is an excellent way to introduce warm tones that complement traditional architectural details. Driving overlapping cedar shingles into the earth creates a slim, uniform, yet thoroughly rustic wooden boundary line. As the cedar ages, it naturally transitions to a beautiful silvery gray color that matches woodland surroundings. The clean, straight lines offer just enough structure to keep a small front yard looking neat and organized. This lightweight material is incredibly easy to install, requiring only a rubber mallet and minimal effort. Short stalks of natural bamboo cut to alternating heights can be bound together to form an exotic, organic edge. This material brings a fresh, zen-like tranquility that pairs beautifully with ornamental grasses and woodland shade plants. Push the pre-assembled bamboo rolls into a shallow trench along your garden fence line for quick installation. The durable, hollow stalks offer a neat and clean vertical rhythm that maximizes compact garden spaces. Using charred timber blocks treated with the traditional Japanese shosugi-ban method provides a striking dark border. This beautiful carbonized finish naturally protects the wood from rot, insects, and decay for many years to come. The deep charcoal color makes the bright greens of your woodland plants and flowers visually pop with intensity. We hope these ideas inspire your next weekend project, so please comment your favorite look, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration.